Top 10 fragrances for men. The best fresh fragrance is Chanel Allure Homme Sport. The best sweet fragrance is 1 Million. The best loud attention grabber fragrance is Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male. The best cheap fragrance for men, Club de Nuit Intense. The best expensive fragrance for men, My Office fragrance. The best oud fragrance, Oud for Greatness by Initio. The best teenager fragrance, Mont Blanc Legend Spirit. The best timeless fragrance, Creed Aventus. The best creative fragrance, La Nuit de l'Homme. And the best long-lasting fragrance, Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette. I'm the #1 fragrance icon that follows the teachings of Jesus.